Hi friends, and today you're watching TechMate Unique, and today we're going to see how to merge the cell on your Microsoft Excel app on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to merge the cell on your Microsoft Excel mobile, I just going to show in this video. So for an example, I just need to merge this 4 cell into one. So first of all, select the cell that you just need to merge on your Microsoft Excel mobile. Click on this arrow section so you can find it's a home section. So scroll down and you can find an option called merge and center. Click on this and it automatically merge the cell. So for an example, I just want to merge this. Click on this, it's merged. The same process can be repeated for a bigger thing. You just select bigger cells like this. Click on the merge and center and it will merge. And you can just type whatever you just see. You can just type and you can just use alignment to align it on the center. This is how you just merge the cells on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Unique. Have a wonderful day.